So how exactly can you use the impulse and momentum relationship to help you jump higher? Besides the fact that this is literally my PhD dissertation topic, I'm going to go into a few details about how it can help you understand the inherent complexities of two-foot running jumps. The majority of existing jump research is on stationary jumps, in which case you do not have any initial horizontal momentum. So this equation was pretty well understood in terms of your initial momentum and then how much force you generate against the ground. But as we all know, two-foot running jumps include you running forward. So there's the starkest difference is such that you want to A, manage your horizontal velocity, and B, actually use it to load up your lower limb joint and musculature, to create greater force than what you can generate just simply from a stationary start. So what that actually means is this equation applies both in terms of how much you can control your horizontal momentum as well as your vertical momentum. And two-foot running jumps is a careful balance and regulation of using one to increase the other. And how do you do that? You make sure to set up your body's position in a way that you can generate both at around the same time and then distribute the loads across each leg. So there's distinct roles of each leg throughout the whole of the movement. And obviously, as the movement progresses, the roles also change. And that's the topic of my first paper that I'm working, that's currently in review and is kicking my ass, but it's coming out soon, so stay tuned.